Disclaimer: this video is created for educational and informational purposes only. The solutions shared here are based on common technical scenarios and may vary depending on device model, app version, or server condition. For official assistance, please contact the respective app support team. Today in this video, I will explain what is this error and why this type of problem is showing on your screen. Many people get worried when they see such messages or when an app suddenly stops working properly. But in most cases, this is a temporary or technical issue that can be understood and handled with basic steps. So watch this video carefully till the end to understand the possible causes and general solutions. These problems usually appear without any clear explanation, which makes users confused about what actually went wrong. Possible reasons. The first possible reason can be temporary server-side interruption. Sometimes service providers perform maintenance or face technical load which can affect app performance. The second reason can be an outdated application version. When an app is not updated for a long time, compatibility issues with the device system or new features may cause unexpected errors. The third possible reason can be corrupted cache or temporary files stored inside the device. Over time, these files can affect app stability or loading behavior. Another factor can be unstable internet connectivity. Slow network speed or frequent connection drops can interrupt data loading and playback processes. Device storage limitations or background system restrictions may also contribute to irregular app behavior. What can you do? First, check your internet connection and ensure it is stable. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data may help identify connectivity related issues. Second, verify if the application has any available update in the official App Store. Updating ensures better compatibility and improved performance. Third, try clearing the application cache from device settings. This can remove temporary corrupted files that may interfere with normal functioning. If the problem continues, restarting the device can refresh system processes and free temporary memory usage. Also check if your device storage has enough free space because insufficient storage may affect app operations. In some cases, waiting for some time can help if the issue is related to server condition or maintenance activity. Understanding these general scenarios can help reduce confusion and allow users to respond calmly